A for animal. B for bird. C for cow. D for deer. E for earth. F for football. G for glass. H for hand. I for igloo. J for jacket. K for killer whale. L for liquid. M for moon. N for new. O for onion. P for pen. Q for queen. R for roof. S for sunflower. T for Taj Mahal. U for umpire. V for vase. W for wood. X for xylem. Y for yam. Z for zoril. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.